Hello everyone, today I'm gonna share my workbench that I built. It's a 2 by 6 feet long. It's a type of modular design that I learned from Bear Mountain Build channel, and I used to remix into this design since I don't have much space in my garage to build a big one. So this been working well for me. I'm gonna label my vacuum inlets here. That's gonna be the vacuum side from the rigid vacuum. In the back here gonna be the exhaust. Gonna stick the label here. And on this side is gonna be the air intake that goes to my table saw or the miter saw. And here's gonna be the vacuum side going to the shop vac. It's gonna be exhaust. Now we're gonna connect the hose to the cyclone dust separator. This side is gonna go to my table saw. Connect to my table saw here. Gonna use this three-way ground adapter that I got from Harbor Freight for $2. This will connect three of my tools here. I'm gonna install the side fence for table saw here. The way I designed this is kind of slide easy. Gonna put my safety glass on. I'm gonna be ripping some of the fence picket here. So for this size, it works pretty well for me. I might build another modular size like this or 2 by 4 and make it bigger by putting the two modular together for more workspace. To use my miter saw, I remove the top cover and store it down here. Twist the knob here to keep the cover in place and pull the miter saw up. Lock it in place. And connect my vacuum hose. Just gonna move my vacuum over here. Gonna do a few cuts here to demonstrate. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content in the future. And if you like to see something, please leave it in the comment.